Hi everybody, it is Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and I am here to do a fun craft with you. This is a family craft, which means we do it all together. Yes, it's going to be super fun. Smokey says work together. Yeah, I just wanted to add that in, super fun. By the way, has anybody joined the Smokey Bear reading challenge? You haven't? You should come in and check it out. We have all the information at our front desk on how to join it and what you need to do. Super easy, super fun. It's Smokey's 80th birthday, so read with him. Okay, I got that out of the way. Now let's work on our craft for our families, okay? The things you're gonna have, oh, you know what, let's talk about it first. It's called family gratitude. Oh, I love gratitude with the family. It's so fun. We are going to make a tree, a fun tree that we can add lovely leaves to as we go along. Before I show you how to make the tree, some other things that are in your kit are a fun game that you can play with dice, all right, that you can do as a family, a scavenger hunt you can do as a family, and an extra little bonus, some little gratitude, kindness notes that you can hand out to the people that you love, maybe people you don't know, anybody. You can hand them out to anybody and it will make them smile, I promise you. All the stuff, anything you need to know is in your kit, okay? Look in your kit, check it out. All right, let's make our tree. I'm super excited for this. I think it's gonna be so neat. Okay, in your kit, you have that stuff, of course. You're gonna have your directions, of course. And then you're gonna have this lovely star bowl. You are going to have some brown pipe cleaners. You're gonna have a rock, but you'll get to do something good with it, don't worry. And you'll have some sand, okay? Easy peasy. What do you think you can do with how are you gonna make a tree out of this? Is this what you're asking me? Let me show you. Okay, first thing we wanna do is we're gonna take our pipe cleaners and we are going to take 5 pipe cleaners, okay? I'm taking 3 dark, 2 light. We're gonna line them up, all right? So I wanna line them up so that all of them are even and straight as much as possible. Then I'm gonna take the middle of them and just start twisting them. I'm twisting them up to make the trunk of my tree. What I'm doing is only twisting the middle. I wanna keep the top open and I wanna keep a bit of the bottom open. The reason I wanna keep the bottom open is because I wanna anchor this tree down to the ground. Or, well, I just wanna anchor it down. I'm keeping the top open because this is gonna be our branches. But let's anchor the bottom down, okay? So you wanna just twist it a little bit. You wanna leave a little bit, okay? The reason we have our rock, see, we have reasons for it all, is we're gonna anchor this to the rock. So we wanna twist it about as much as you need to like hook this onto the rock. You wanna make this into claws. You wanna make these pipe cleaners into claws so they can wrap around this rock. So I'm gonna twist them just a little bit more because they're still just a little bit long. Then I'm gonna open them up so they're like claws. See, I'm clawing them out. They're like claws. Then I can put my rock there and then just kind of wrap them around the rock. This is going to make it so that my tree isn't gonna just fall down. It's actually a pretty brilliant idea when you come to think about it, don't you think? Then you just kind of move your tree around so that it's standing up. Now when I put my tree down in my jar here, oh, well, when you do that, it should stand up. If it doesn't, then you just need to maneuver it a little bit more. Might need to do some twisting on the bottom with our claws here so that it does stand up, okay? Because that's the whole point. This rock should be holding our tree up. And then pipe cleaners are so nice because they just kind of bend however you want them to bend. So when your tree is standing up, I'm gonna take it out again so I can show you a little bit closer. These are our branches up at the top. So you can kind of move them around however you want your branches of your tree to look. You can have them sticking up, you can have them out to side. Now, you will have a couple of these left. What you can do with these is cut them into littler pieces. We're gonna go ahead and cut some littler pieces out. Oh, that one went flying, okay. So I have a couple of littler pieces here. And you can take these littler pieces and you can make extra little branches on your big branch, well, on the big branches. So your tree can have more branches, little tiny branches. Isn't that so neat? So that's what the extras are for. If you don't want the extra little branches, don't worry about it. You don't need to have them. It's totally your choice. Once you have your tree all figured out how you want to have it, that's when you're gonna take your sand and just kind of pour it in. So you can make sure that you don't even have to see the rock. Unless you like the rock, I mean, you don't have to cover it if you don't want to, but. And if you want to add any decorations, any more decorations besides the sand, you are more than welcome to. But there you go, our tree is made. All we need to do now is decorate our tree. What could we decorate our tree with? Well, leaves, of course. So another thing that's in your kit are all these lovely, pre-printed for you, colorful fall leaves. Some of the leaves say stuff on them I'm thankful for, but some of them are plain. And there's a whole nother, let me show you, sheet of different kinds of leaves, okay? So you're gonna have some colorful fall leaves in your kit. What I'd like you to do is to fill them out with things that you're grateful for, things that you have gratitude for, and add them to your tree. You can either use string or you can just use a hole punch and punch a hole in it when you're done and just like slide it right onto your branch. So you can tie it with a string or you can just slide it right on, whichever way you want to do it. But hopefully by the end of the fall, your tree is actually going to be full. Instead of empty, we want it to be full. We're going to fill our tree up with kindness, with gratitude, and it's going to be amazing. And I'd love for you to do this as a family. Work together, talk it out, have fun, laugh, do it all. Enjoy yourselves, and when you're finished, you're going to have the most amazing looking tree that you can set out wherever you want. On the kitchen table, maybe somewhere in the front room, maybe on a table in the front room, I'm not sure. Anywhere for everybody to see, and you guys can just read these leaves whenever. It'll be so fun, it'll be so amazing. Since you did this project together as a family, guess what else? Clean up as a family, please. There shouldn't be too much cleanup, but whatever cleanup there is, work together. Sing a song, put some music on, do whatever you need to do, work together, clean it up, and then you can write that on one of your gratitude leaves. How fun it was to work together. All right, guys, have so much fun making it. Feel free to send some pictures in of your trees, your finished trees. I would love to see them. Have fun making them and have fun with your family time. Goodbye, everybody.